guys, we are on our way to the house. It is demo day 3, and I think we're about to see some pretty big changes. Yeah, it's our first 2 days of demo kind of took a little bit longer than expected. I think our demo guys thought that it wasn't as big of a project. They told us that they'd be done in 1 day, but I didn't think that was going to happen. They finally got the roof off, and they've got everything cleaned out, and we should see a back wall down and all the interior walls down, and now we can kind of really see this place open up. It's pretty exciting. I am driving there right now, and I will update you guys with another video, and we'll see what happened. Thanks.
Oh no, that's that guy's thing.
Yeah.
Oh, but they did bring the red one back. It's a little bit different. That's a nicer one.
Okay, let's see.
I think that is the same red one. Oh shoot, we need to call.
What the hell happened? Where'd the house go?
Oh wait, we need to figure out with Dan what we're gonna do with that header up there. Because I think we're gonna end up having to just take it off.
Oh.
We still gotta do this. Oh, they did take
Some cool features, but things are about to change a little bit.
the floors up.
Yeah, I know. I said they didn't take the
Oh,
floors
they gotta
out.
take the floors out. So they're not done yet. And they didn't get this off, so there's still some things we need to do.
Well, nice open floor plan. I mean, they did a lot of stuff.
Yeah,
Though.
a lot.
Look, here's the original floor.
Oh yeah. So they gotta take that out too.
You need to take the garage out.
Oops.
Yeah, this is just wood. That nasty bathroom's gone. Add on. Oh, check this out. Look at this silly bathroom. A nasty bathroom. This is like super old.
Yeah, it's rotted.
I wonder if there was a leak here
Yeah.
in this bathroom, because it's all
Yeah, this was
tore
all.
up.
This is all 2x4s back here. Yeah, I really wanted to see what was behind there.
Behind what?
This. And like, what about this stuff? Like, I need to get that out.
Well, that's from, we gotta
Oh,
go
yeah, we
under
gotta
and
go
cut all
under.
that out.
Okay.
It's crazy.
Yeah,
Like-
and you're gonna have to take this out.
Hey, they put a fence up.
Oh, see, but they did rip. This is Ellie's room.
Yeah. Let's go. Open floor. Bring the wall out.